Often a customer will want their logo machined into a part, such as the bear logo shown here. The engraving toolpath will easily allow this to be done. From the 2D toolpaths, I'll select Engrave. I'll enable the sketch chaining option and select this sketch, then accept my selection. This toolpath window has a different look from all the toolpath windows we've seen so far, but the process is the same. I'll choose Select Library Tool, Filter, None, select the Engraving tool. I'll ignore the diameter to see what's available in the library and accept this selection. I'll select this first 1/8 of an inch cutter and accept this selection. I'll set the cutting speed to 100, the feet per tooth to 0.002, the plunge rate to 5. I'll add the comment Engrave logo, then select the coolant button, turn the flood coolant on, accept this selection, then I'll select the engraving parameters. I'll set the depth to -0.005, leaving the rest of the defaults. Then I'll select the rough/finishing tab. Since this is not a deep engraving, I'll see what the default values will do for me first, and I'll accept these. The cut lines are difficult to see, so I'll backplot this toolpath. It looks okay, so I'll exit the simulator. I'll select the parameters for this operation. Select the rough/finishing tab and enable the roughing option, followed by the parallel spiral cutting method. I'll leave the remaining default values and accept these changes. I'll regenerate the toolpath. I can see there are a lot more cut lines, so I'll simulate the toolpath. Before I play this simulation, I'll switch to the wireframe view. I'm satisfied with this logo, so I'll exit the simulator and save.